Hi, my name is Jill Craven. This is How to Make Dry Blonde Hair Soft. When trying to make dry blonde hair look smooth and soft, first you're going to want to start with a shampoo and conditioner that's moisturizing, and then follow it up with a moisturizing treatment. And then we're going to continue into blow drying the hair. We're going to round brush her hair till it was dry, and then now I'm going to show you how to flat iron the hair. And I'm going to start with a thermal protectant in her hair that when the heat hits it, it's actually going to help the hair instead of hurt it. So I'm going to take a few pumps of that, and I'm going to run that through her hair. And you're going to take your flat iron, brush the hair, and then you're going to take the section and slowly run the flat iron through, never stopping. And then you're going to follow that again with the next section. And you're going to brush the hair, put the flat iron in, run it all the way down, never stopping until the hair is out of the flat iron. And then you continue this all the way throughout the head.